Hi friends, I am Lucky Raj. Today we will know how to balance a chemical equation. This is very important in chemistry. Some of us find it's very tough how to balance a equation, but it's very easy. Today we will discuss about it. First of all, we have to know the number of atoms present here, left side and right side. Here we count number of atoms in nitrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. Then we write here. And the right side, nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. Here we count. First of all, we count the number of atoms in left side. Here nitrogen is 1. Number of atom in nitrogen is 1 here. Hydrogen is 3 and oxygen is 2. Here nitrogen is 2, hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is also 1. Here oxygen is 2 and oxygen is 1. Then we write here 2, here 1. Nitrogen is here 1, here 2. Hydrogen 2. Right. Right here. Both side the number of atoms should same. Then we write here, if we write here 2, then 2 3 is 6 hydrogen. And when we write here 3, then here also 6 hydrogen, but the oxygen is 3 and oxygen is 2, then we write 6. So we write here 2 3. If we write here 4, then n is equal to 4, and here if we write 2, then here also n is equal to 4. Here h, number of atoms in h is 3 4 is 12. H should also here be 12, then 2 into 6, 12. And oxygen, number of atoms in oxygen 2 and here 6, then here we will write here 3, then 6, and here also oxygen equal to 6. Our equation is balanced here. Now count. Nitrogen, number of atoms in nitrogen is 4 here. Here also 4, 2 into 2, 4. Number of atoms in hydrogen 3 4 is 12. Here 12, and here also 6 2 is 12. Number of atoms in oxygen 3 2 is 6. Here also 6. Then our equation is balanced. Similarly, we will take another examples. This is another one example. Here we see the number of hydrogen, sulfur and chlorine. Here also hydrogen, sulfur, chlorine. Here we see that number of atoms in hydrogen 2, here 1, here sulfur is 1, here sulfur is also 1, and chlorine is here 2, here chlorine is 1. Then we see here hydrogen is 2, then here also should hydrogen will be 2, then we write 2, and we see that if we write 2 HCl, then our equation is balanced. Here the equation is, let us check. Hydrogen is 2 here, here also hydrogen is 2, sulfur is 1 here, here sulfur is 1, here chlorine is 2, and here also chlorine is 2. We will take another one example. The another one example is sodium. Here Na. We have to count the number of atoms in sodium in left side as well as right side. And chlorine, left as well as right. Here the number of atoms in sodium is 1, here also 1, here chlorine is 2, and here chlorine is 1. Then we have to maintain it. There must be equal number of atoms in left side and the right side. If we put 2 here, then the sodium also 2 and chlorine also 2. Then but if sodium is here 2, then we also should put 2. Then we write Na, here Cl2, NaCl. If we put here 2, here also 2, then Na is equal to 2, Na is equal to Cl here 2, and Cl here also 2. This is balanced equation.